Do you know how big the universe is? How much time it would take to cross the Milky Way galaxy at the speed of light? Do you know which are the strongest cells in our body? Why they are strong? Do you know the fastest growing plant? How much long it grows in a day? You will get to know some amazing facts like this. After you listen, your face will like this. Be ready for it! Fact number 1. Red blood cells means red colored cells. How much time would be they alive? 1 day, 2 days, 5 days or maximum 1 week, right? No, they actually live for 120 days and then they die. RBCs return to the bone marrow where they die, but before that they take round trips around the body approximately for 250,000 times. New RBCs are constantly manufactured by the bone marrow to replace the ones that perish. Our bone marrow produces red blood cells always, but that red blood cells die only 120 days once. Such an amazing fact about our human body, right? Fact number 2. Stars are rarely found alone. It is more usual for them to form in groups. The group can have from dozens to hundreds of thousands of stars. When a massive star is formed in the group, it reacts with the rest of the hydrogen present in the molecular cloud. This can disturb the cloud and stop any more stars from forming. Stars are so stylish, they are never single. Fact number 3. Those who do not know to swim, this is for you. The Dead Sea is also known as Salt Sea. At 306 meters deep, it is deepest hypersaline lake in the world. Its salinity level is 33.7%, which is roughly 8.6 times saltier than ocean water. Due to natural buoyancy of this salty water, people can easily float through it. Amma, it is cold. Can you off the fan?
Where it is cold? I'm feeling warm.
My nerves are telling just off the fan. You must have thought, why am I telling my nerves are telling? Have you ever wondered how our body feels the sensations of heat, cold and pain from the external environment? These sensations are carried to the brain and spinal cord by sensory nerves. The sensor receptors on the body surface or in the tissues are linked to the relevant processing circuits in the nervous system by the fibers of the sensory nerves. Now what let fill you off the fan?
Okay.
This is a special fact, so listen carefully. Fact number 5. The pupil or the black part of the iris inside the eye reduces in size when bright light falls upon it. This is a natural reflex as too much exposure to light can harm our eyes. Similarly, the pupil enlarges in darkness to enable more light to come through. When we enter from a dark room into light, our pupil takes a movement to adjust to allow just the right amount of light to enter the eye. Oh, I should first turn off this light, it will shrink my eyes. Fact number 6. How did the stars appear? Over a long period of time, the cloudy universe continued to expand. All the energy and matter that was moving through space kept colliding. From these collisions, new elements were formed. In this process, heat and light were released. This light became visible once the gases floating in space cooled down and recombined. It was now that the first stars appeared. Ooh. Fact number 7. Do you know why some people suffer from color blindness? Our eye contains 3 types of color detecting cells. These are red detecting cones, green detecting cones, and blue detecting cones. In addition to its main color, each cone cell can detect many other in between color as well. If any one of these light cells are absent or not functioning in a person, the person becomes colorblind. Appa, Amma, Ajji, Tata, Nitya. Oh, he's first only colorblind. Come here fast, I will do colorblind checkup. Fact number 8. There are many galaxies in our universe. But do you know the 3 biggest galaxies in the universe? They are the Andromeda Galaxy, Milky Way, and Trianguloma Galaxy. Our closest neighboring galaxies are Sagittarius Dwarf Elliptical Galaxy. Both will soon become a part of the Milky Way as it cannibalizes them. A little further away are the large and small Magellanic Clouds. So I am in the second biggest one. Fact number 9. Gravity is not required for food to enter into your digestive system. Even if someone hung you upside down and provided you with something to eat, the food would still go down to your stomach. Do you know why? This is because the esophagus has such strong muscles that it will easily escort your food to the stomach. So at least there is something stronger than gravity. Fact number 10. The evidence of extinct dwarf elephants is found in the Mediterranean islands such as Cyprus, Malta and Crete. They were about only 1.5 to 2 meters in length. They seem to have evolved from the straight-tusked continental elephants and lived during the Pleistocene period. What? That much small elephants? Fact number 11. Do you know that the phenomenon of a broken heart is real? Due to some disturbing or upsetting events like the death of a loved one, a person can suffer from the broken heart syndrome or cardiomyopathy. It mirrors the symptoms of a heart attack, though it is not as severe as a heart attack. Due to cardiomyopathy, short-term heart failure can occur. So don't be upset if something bad happens. Just chill. In the periodic table, there are 118 elements. They start from many letters and have many symbols, atomic numbers and atomicity. But the only letter that doesn't appear in the periodic table, do you know which is that? It is the letter J. From A to Z, if there are only 26 alphabets, still the periodic table does not contain letter J. Such an amazing thing, right? There are many types of sentences which you would have learnt in your school. But there is a type of sentence which has every letter containing in the alphabets. Do you know what is the name of that sentence? This type of sentence is called as a pangram. The most widely known pangram is the one that's traditionally been used to test typewriters or keyboards. The sentence is, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Check once, every letter is there in this sentence. Back when dinosaurs existed, there used to be volcanoes that were erupting on the moon. Bye friends, bye. I should tell the astronauts not to go to moon. Bye, have a good time. Before I go to warn the astronauts, I will tell you a bonus fact. The scientific term for brain freeze is sphenopalatine ganglioneuralgia. You did not know this, right? Fun fact! So friends, if you like this facts video, like the video, share it to everyone and subscribe to Ali Say with Ankit channel And if you want to see more top enigmatic facts like this, keep on watching Alisi with Ankit!